John Smolnik here again with ClearPoint Construction up in Brooklyn Park, and we're just buttoning up the phase here, the first phase of the project. It's multi-trade. Assisted the homeowner with going back and forth and getting them finally approved for a new roof. Took a couple tries, but we were able to do it, and we've got them a new roof, window wraps, new garage doors again that we had to go back and forth. Our company was there to assist the homeowner and get them taken care of. I think it's going to be like close to $30,000 worth of work done going on with architectural GAF complete roofing system. Obviously that's the charcoal, so it looks pretty sharp. If you feel as if that you've got some damage from prior storms, give us a jingle. Give me a jingle. I can buzz out and take a look at it. The inspections, see if it warrants placing a claim, get insurance to cover it. 320-380-4668. Look forward to hearing from you. John Smolnik with ClearPoint Construction. Take care.